Why is it that our lips just disappear when we get to be a certain age? I'm going to show you how to even out your lips. I've actually been told by some people they thought that I was getting filler. No, there's no filler on these lips, honey. I'm going to show you how to line your lips to make them look a little bit fuller. Let's get into it. First thing that I'm going to do, because I have slightly oily skin, I need to put a little bit of powder on. So what that's going to do is going to help so it doesn't bleed. Now I'm going to use a lip liner, and you want to use a lip liner that's matte. You don't want to use something that's going to just be too slick because it's not going to keep your lipstick on. It's going to bleed and it's going to look ridiculous. You really need to find a matte formula. This is the one from Charlotte Tilbury. It's my favorite one. I feel like out of all of them that I have the most of this, and it just really works the best for me. So I'm going to start down here and apply it. Now, I don't usually overdraw the bottom lip because I think it's pretty good. And I feel like for most people it is, but if it isn't, you can slightly overdraw. We're just slightly overdrawing. Now I need to even out my lips because they are uneven. So I'm going to do something a little different today, okay? So we're going to start with an X first. Okay, so that kind of gives me the area of the center of my lip. Now I'm going to start from the corner and bring it up to that guide. Bring it up to that guide. See that? Then I'm going to fill it in a little bit right here and a little bit there. Then I'm going to go back and I am going to use a little bit more powder. I'm going to draw it on top again. And this is going to ensure that my lip liner is going to stay there. Then I'm going to add my lipstick. And I like to use a lipstick that has a little bit of a glossy finish because if you use lip gloss, you have to be really careful. If you add too much lip gloss, it's going to end up bleeding no matter what you do. So then I would use a satin formula like this. And that's it. Look how much better my lips look from here to where I started. Much better. Easy to do. And that is how you do it. Super, super easy. Again, I would recommend just setting the outside with a little bit of powder. Even if you're dry, go easy on it. Don't apply too much. Just a little dusting of a little bit of powder. Don't use a velour puff. Use a brush like I shared. I really hope that this was helpful and informative. If you're new, I'd love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Smash that subscribe button below. And also, if you've enjoyed it and you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.